In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Squarespace product variants. If you sell products that come in different sizes, colors, or other choices, adding variants is a great way to keep everything organized on a single product listing. Instead of creating separate products for each version, you can manage those options directly inside Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to Products and Services. From there, click on Products to view your product list. This is where you'll find all of the items currently available in your store. Next, hover over the product you want to date. When you do that, click the three dots that appear for more actions and then choose Edit. This will open the product editor where you can make changes to the item's details, including its variants. Inside the product editor, look for the variants section and click Add. This is where you begin creating the different choices customers will be able to select when viewing the product. After that, click Add Option. Squarespace may show you some existing option types, so click the Current Options field to open that menu. Then choose Custom. This is especially useful if the option you need isn't already listed, or if you want to name it in a way that fits your product exactly. Now, enter the shown name. This is the category of the variant, such as size, color, material, or any other attribute that applies to your product. Be clear and consistent here, because this label will help customers understand what they're choosing. Once the option name is added, enter the variant names themselves, like medium or large. These are the actual selectable values under that option. Depending on your product, you might enter values such as small, medium, and large, or black, white, and blue. Make sure each variant is spelled correctly and matches the versions of the product you actually offer. When everything looks good, click Save. That will apply the new variant setup to your product, and that's it. You've successfully added product variants in Squarespace. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the product after saving so you can confirm the options appear the way you expect. This helps ensure a smoother shopping experience for your customers and keeps your store looking polished and professional.